guys, welcome to the part 2 of the video where I will continue talking about 18 altcoins that has the potential to do 100x in the near future. If you haven't watched the first part, please go check it out before watching this video. And also, I am not a financial advisor and whatever I say in this video is based on my knowledge and experience. So please do your own research before making any investments. And if you find this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. It really motivates me to make more videos like this. So be my motivator and karma will do the same for you. And also stick till the end of the video because I have a bonus coin on my list which has a market cap of less than $1 million, and it is such a great project that it can grow real big, real fast. Moving on, number 10 on my list is Fetch.ai. Everybody knows that artificial intelligence is the future, and Fetch.ai is artificial intelligence for blockchains. It is building an open access, tokenized, decentralized machine learning network to enable smart infrastructure built around a decentralized digital economy. It has a bright future because it is a next generation protocol built with a ready to go, useful proof of work system invented by world leading AI minds. In simple words, for people who have less knowledge about cryptocurrencies, they bring artificial intelligence and blockchain technology together. Current price of the token is around $0.065 and market cap is only 45 million, and I'm backing it to do 100x if not more in the near future. Number 11 is Scale. Scale is an elastic blockchain network that gives developers the ability to easily provision highly configurable, fully decentralized chains that are instantly compatible with Ethereum. The philosophy behind the development of the Scale network is in line with the view of employing multiple elastic sidechains, the ability to deploy and scale sidechains quickly, the use of a pooled validation model for dependable chain validation, expandable node configurations, and full-state smart contract processing are just a few advantages of deploying Scale network as elastic sidechains. Current price is 11 cents with the market cap of around 63 million. 100x gains and the market cap will be 6.3 billion, which can be achieved in the coming few years. Number 12 on my list is Nervos Network, which is a project that I am heavily invested in. The Nervos Network is an open source public blockchain ecosystem and collection of protocols solving the biggest challenges facing blockchains like Bitcoin and Ethereum today. The Nervos Network is the fundamental layer 1 proof of work blockchain which creates the foundation for all layer 2 protocols, integrations and scaling solutions for the Nervos Network. It received a massive amount of 72 million in ICO funding last October. Current price stands at $0.004 with the market cap of 101 million, and if it does 100x, market cap will be around 10 billion, which you cannot rule out considering the type of this project. Moving on, number 13 on my list is 1inch. 1inch offers the best rates by discovering the most efficient swapping routes across all the leading dexes. 1inch offers users better rates of cryptocurrency swaps than any single crypto exchange could. 1inch saves users time as they no longer have to manually check each exchange for the better swap price. Moreover, it is backed by the likes of Binance Labs, Galaxy Digital, Dragonfly Capital, among many others. Current price is $1.28 with the market cap of 102 million, and it is a fairly new project, so I'm waiting for the price to settle a bit before I make any investments. But I am bullish about this project and it looks very promising to me. Number 14 is Serum. Serum is a decentralized exchange and ecosystem that brings unprecedented speed and low transaction costs to decentralized finance. It is built on Solana with the aim of bringing high speed and low cost transactions. In the light of the popularity of DeFi and the growth of the DEXs in the Ethereum space, there have been instances of high gas fees and slow transactions. Serum is built to ensure that DeFi can compete against the centralized services. Price of the token is $1.58 with the market cap of around 77 million. 100x gains and the market cap will be 7.7 billion, which can be achieved considering the vision of the project. Number 15 on my list is NewCypher, which is a project that I'm really backing to do 100x if not more. And let me tell you why. NewCypher is a privacy layer for blockchains. It enables end-to-end encrypted data sharing on public blockchains like Ethereum. NewCypher allows users to conditionally grant and revoke access to data with multiple users at a time. NewCypher provides the backbone for applications that invoke the transfer of sensitive data but also want to leverage the trustless and censorship resistant nature of public blockchains. Right now, users cannot safely transfer sensitive information like medical data or bank details with the current blockchain infrastructure. Today's web apps rely on protocols like SSL to ensure data privacy and integrity. Public blockchains will need a decentralized privacy and encryption layer, and NewCypher will provide just that. It also will be fully decentralized. So in simple terms, NewCypher is a privacy layer for public blockchains, which is not only built by users but also controlled and governed by users. It received a humongous amount of more than 125 million US dollars in their ICO funding, so a lot of people other than me believe in this project. Current price stands at 18 cents with a market cap of just 63 million. So there's still a lot more room to grow. Next one is Keep Network. The aim of Keep Network is to provide an off-chain containers called Keeps that stores private data safe from the public blockchain, thereby enabling smart contracts to maximize the full potential of blockchain technology without compromising on transparency or privacy. Keeps will be used to encrypt and store private data, and the keeps are to be protected by secure multi-party computation that allows generating, storing, encrypting, and transmitting of data among different users. It is backed by famous VCs like Andreessen Horowitz, Polychain Capital, and a lot more. Andreessen Horowitz is one of my favorite investor firms, and they have been a part of many great projects. And if they believe in this project, so do I. Current price of the token is 20 cents with a market cap of 22 million, and if it reaches 100x, market cap will be 2.2 billion, which is highly possible. Number 17 on my list is Centivate. Centivate is a revolutionary advancement in the internet architecture. Centivate has a hybrid technology consisting of interconnected centralized decentralized systems and designed to go beyond the capabilities that any solely centralized or decentralized network could offer. It can operate in a decentralized or centralized topology. Centivate is designed to be a realistic and viable replacement for the increasingly sluggish web we have today. Current price of the token is 0.0034 US dollars with a market cap of around 8 million. I'm bullish about this project and I feel like it can do 100x or even more in the near future. Remember, nothing comes overnight. You need to have patience. And I feel like this token has the capability to be in the top 100 if not higher in the coming few years. Now, number 18 on my list is Polymath Network. So what is Polymath Network? Polymath provides technology to create, issue and manage digital securities on the blockchain. They relentlessly focus on the technological backbone for security tokens. Whether configuring tokens using the Polymath Token Studio or integrating our broker-dealer toolkit into your offering, Polymath's technology brings efficiency and transparency to security token management. Polymath is the interface between financial securities and the blockchain. From creation to issuance to fundraising, Polymath guides issuers through the complex tech and legal process of a successful token launch. They recently launched Polymesh, which is an institutional grade blockchain built specifically for regulated assets. Current price of the token is 10 cents and the market cap is 75 million. And now is the correct time to invest a small amount in this. 100x is a 100% possibility with this. Last one on my list is one I believe to be a dark horse. Name of the token is Evido, and let me tell you why I feel like this could be huge in future. It is a decentralized ecosystem for event organizers, venue owners and performers. Using Evido's ticketing platform, you can sell tickets and attend events securely with low commission. They recently partnered with Tomorrowland, which is a very big deal as Tomorrowland is one of the biggest music event in the world, and if you don't know what Tomorrowland is, you must be living under a rock. The reason why I'm so bullish about this project is because everyone knows that the event industry is fucked due to COVID, but now that people are getting vaccinated, we can expect the event industry to be as big as it was, if not even bigger. Evido brings decentralization and event management together, and now that we move more and more towards decentralization, I believe Evido to be one of the giants in the game. The current price of the token is 0.07 US dollars with a market cap of around $1 million. So it is still very small and it has tons of room to grow, and it can be a gold mine for people investing right now. What do you think of my list? Did I miss a coin? Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments down below, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Peace.